Hello friends, welcome to AdvorksDigital. Have you ever wanted to create stunning videos, but don't have the time or skills to do it yourself? Introducing the AI Video Generator, the revolutionary tool that can help you create high-quality videos in a matter of minutes. We understand that creating engaging videos can be a daunting task. From brainstorming ideas to shooting footage, editing, and adding special effects, it takes a lot of time and effort to get it right. But with the AI Video Generator, you don't need any special skills or equipment. Just input your script, and our cutting-edge algorithms will do the rest. In today's video, I'm going to be revealing 6 AI video generation tools to use in your YouTube videos. Number 1. Descript AI.
Like it or not, there's gonna come a day when you think,
I should record this presentation.
We should do a podcast.
A pod what?
I should start a YouTube channel.
I should record my screen.
Hey guys.
Hey everyone.
And
We're pushing
I've
a
never actually. Oh my god.
We record a lot of stuff.
yep, you do. But before you share it,
Sent.
I don't like this.
you're gonna wanna edit it first.
Uh-oh.
But editing is
Hard, I know. Where do you even start, right? Well, I'll show you where to start. Meet Descript. It's a powerful new tool that makes editing easy. So easy that you'll want to edit videos.
nice. How does it,
Work? Well, first you need some video or audio. If you've already got some, just drag it right into Descript. Wait for it.
Hey guys, welcome to my first YouTube video. Hopefully my little guys don't fall.
whoa.
What?
Nah.
Yeah, it takes your audio and turns it into text. So when this happens,
Alright guys, I'm going in.
Sweetie.
What?
Dinner.
I'm doing a thing, Mom!
you can cut it out like this.
Okay.
Oh.
How about that?
But get this, Descript can turn your text back into audio.
I'm pretty sure this is a 1st edition super rare creature kawaii. I was wrong. It's a 7th edition more common than water creature kawaii.
It's called overdub. Just type what you meant to say right into Descript.
I'm pretty sure this is a 7th edition creature kawaii.
And for those who need it, Descript has a screen recorder built right in.
Hey everyone. We're pushing a big update today to our content management system.
I'm sorry, I'm gonna stop you right there. This is so boring.
I know.
Check it out.
Hey everyone. We're pushing
With a click, you can remove every kind of, like, and whatever the hell that is.
Hey everyone. We're pushing a big update today to our CMS.
Woo!
That's so cool.
Hey.
And with a few clicks, you can publish your project right to the web and easily share with anyone.
Damn, Jenny. Underestimated you.
And Descript is no slouch either, with support for things like non-destructive multi-track precision editing,
No.
titles, transitions, and keyframe animation,
No.
audio mixing and mastering tools, even exporting your project to other pro apps.
Woo!
And get this, you and your collaborators can work in the app at the same time.
No.
So when you capture media,
Pickle, you mean green?
No! Mom!
make sure you edit it in Descript.
I think it's Descript.
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 Number 2. ELAI.io.
Welcome to ELAI. Have you ever imagined being able to create amazing videos with real people? Now with the help of AI, you can create engaging videos with the real presenters in minutes just from text. Say goodbye to costly studios, equipment, and real actors. Just follow these 3 steps. Choose a presenter from the library, add some text and visuals for slides, and here we go.
Hey, my name is Cody, and I am your digital video presenter.
You can also create videos by simply leaving a link to your blog or website using our Generate from Text feature, and here is your result. Videos that don't get many views or engagement need to be promoted in different ways, such as through social network postings or email campaigns. Moreover, you can create your personal avatar and use it in hundreds of videos in more than 65 languages. This is how your CEO can speak multiple languages.
I can now speak Spanish.
Buenos días.
And can say hello to all my French customers.
Bonjour.
Interested? Sign up and try it for free now. Bye-bye from ELAI.
Number 3, Movio AI.
Black Friday is coming soon. 50% off all products. Shop now.
それは単なる車ではなく、冒険への乗り物です。La fonctionnalité de collaboration d'équipe est arrivée. Voici comment vous pouvez faire équipe en temps réel.
Hello, are your L&D videos not engaging enough? Don't worry. With Movio, you can easily create stunning videos. Just type text, like this one.
Welcome to the English online training course. Next I will teach you how to learn English easily.
Make an editable avatar in just 3 steps.
Number 4, Pipio AI. Turn your words into videos. Easily create videos in minutes with your own on-demand digital actors. You do the typing, they'll do the talking. A game changer for content creators. Filmmakers, marketers, entrepreneurs, creatives, of all levels, are using Pipio to produce their short social media videos or full-length e-learning courses with the click of a button. Type in your script. Get a video. Pipio's video making platform allows users to create videos with photorealistic digital actors by simply typing in a script. We help companies and consumers create content without having to deal with finding and hiring actors, scouting location, renting costly lighting or camera equipment, and navigating complicated editing software. Let's face it, video production is hard. Let our digital characters do it for you. Simple, straightforward video creation. Create and edit videos in 3 easy steps, eliminating the costly and time-consuming production aspects of filming. With our simple navigation and easy-to-use interface, you can generate your script into a video in minutes, without the headaches. Diverse selection of digital actors. At Pipio, we recognize the importance of representation and diversity in media. That's why we've built a platform that showcases a wide range of ethnicities, particularly those that have been historically misrepresented or underrepresented in entertainment. With an ever-expanding roster of racially diverse actors to choose from, we continue to strive for equality and diversity to attract and inspire all audiences. Videos that speak your language. These days, brands must now appeal to a global audience if they want to succeed. While not everyone has the luxury of being fluent in more than one language, with Pipio, you can customize your actor's script to be delivered in over 20 unique languages. What better way to create a personalized message that speaks to your audience's background? Pick your plan. Sign up for free and start creating videos with your own digital actors. Each plan includes 3 minutes of free video. There is 2 plans only: Premium and Enterprise plan. Premium plan only $20 monthly. Enterprise plan contact to sales team. Number 5, Did AI.
Chat.did lets users talk with an AI. Really talk. No keyboards, no cursors, a face-to-face conversation. You can ask me almost anything.
What's a good way to propose to my girlfriend?
Read a funny story for my kids to make them laugh.
Explain quantum physics to me as if I were a 7-year-old.
What is the better baby name, Sarah or Sophia?
Please host my family's trivia night.
Simulate a job interview with
Cheer me up with the worst dad joke you can think of.
Settle this argument. Bowls in the top or bottom of the dishwasher.
Anything.
Inspire me in a sentence before my big meeting.
You have the power within you to overcome any obstacle and achieve greatness. Just go to chat.d-id.com now to really chat with ChatGPT. DID's Creative Reality Studio just got even better. Now, as well as animating images from text or audio, you can create avatars and generate scripts using Stable Diffusion and GPT-3. Just describe what you want your avatar to look like and press Create. You can make any avatar you want. Say, picture of a half-alien goddess, or a 19th century portrait of a happy Victorian gentleman. Not sure what you want your avatar to say? Just tell our AI what you have in mind, and it will automatically generate a script for you. If you can imagine it, just type or talk to create a one-of-a-kind video without any technical knowledge. Digital creations for human imaginations. Go to d-id.com today to start your free trial. DID's Creative.
Hi David, you asked to learn about cybersecurity. On a scale of 1 to 5, how familiar are you with that?
I'd say I'm about a 3.
Not bad, but still plenty to learn. Phishing is a type of cybersecurity attack during which malicious actors send messages pretending to be a trusted person or entity that look like they are.
Creative Reality Studio saves businesses money, time, and hassle, and makes videos and presentations more engaging. Making videos has always been complicated, but with Creative Reality Studio, it's simple, and anybody can be a presenter. Choose from one of 270 voices across 119 languages. Just upload an image, add your text, and in moments, you'll have a video ready to download or share. Start your free trial and superpower your training content, presentations, sales, marketing, and more.
Number 6. Synthesia AI.
Hey there, I'm Anna, and I'm an AI avatar. In this short video, I'll share with you the story of how I became an avatar and quickly explain the process of creating one. An AI avatar is a digital twin of a real person. For example, yours truly is an AI avatar of a real actress. The process of creating me started in a professional studio, where the real actress was filmed reciting a script. After that, the footage was processed by Synthesia's avatar producers, and after an AI abracadabra, a digital twin of the real actress came to life. And that's me. Coming also with the ability of speaking over 60 different languages and accents. The AI avatars you'll find in Synthesia are all digital twins of real actors. They have a contractual agreement with Synthesia to provide their likeness for business-related videos only. A team of content moderators makes sure that nobody breaks the rules, so it is impossible to spread misinformation, disinformation, or obscenity through videos created in Synthesia Studio. By the way, you can also create your own avatar by simply requesting one directly in the app. And that's a wrap of my short story. Now you can go try Synthesia Studio for yourself and save hundreds of hours while creating professional training, how-to, or explainer videos. And one last thing. This video was, of course, created in Synthesia Studio. Have a good one. Ciao, ciao.
Hope you like our videos. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to stay up to date with all the latest videos that get uploaded to our channel.